What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a very exciting video for you today. I'm sitting in a brand new Chevy 2500 High Country. It's a 2026 model. It's all white. This truck is getting a set of SuspensionMAXX torsion keys, the MC9s. This is going to be a perfectly level truck when we're done, and we're doing a set of 37, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the factory wheels on this truck. Now, this truck is all color matched. It's white. The mirrors are white. The front end's white. The fender flares are white. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned for the video. Here's our beautiful Chevy 2500 High Country. Like I said, everything on this has been color matched white already. I love the way this truck looks. It's very, very clean. He's done the parts on the hood up here in white. He's done the mirrors in white, the fender flares in white. I'm sure there's more that I haven't seen, but the truck looks great. This set of 37s and this leveling kit is going to make the truck look phenomenal. I'd love to drive one of these. I actually really like this color a lot on this truck. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in right now. It should be a fairly quick video. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, so we're back in our Chevy 2500. The truck is ready to go. We did the SuspensionMAXX keys, and we did 37, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. My customer drove from Mississippi. I don't think I said that yet in the video, but he also asked me whenever we were on the phone originally setting this up, he said, where can I go and get some color match trim and stuff like that? Well, the only company that came to mind was that Mid-South LED up in Tennessee. I've been looking at their website, and they sell a bunch of like pre-painted body pieces, so I connected the two guys up together, and he went up there and got a bunch of color match parts on this truck. So I'm going to go over that when we get out, but the truck looks amazing. This is the first truck I've seen a blue interior in too, a first Chevrolet. So I'm going to show you that too. So stay tuned. Here's our final product, 2026 Chevy 2500 Silverado High Country. We did the 2-inch SuspensionMAXX torsion key leveling kit. I'll show it to you right here. We set the keys at the A2 setting, set them about 1 3/4 to 2 inches of height lift. The truck looks very, very level, very nice. The 37, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers fit amazingly. The Chevrolets don't actually get trimmed up here in the front like the GMCs do, and nothing in the back on the mud flap either. There's no rub at all right there or right there. The only place where you have any rub is at full lock, like at a U-turn situation. You will rub just a little bit up here on this sway bar, if you can see where the dirt's rubbed off, and then a little bit back here on the frame rail. You can see right there where it's already been touching, but that's the only thing. Doesn't cause any problems to the truck, doesn't cause any damage to the tires, will not stop you dead in your tracks if you turn too sharp or anything like that, so don't stress about it. It's just a little bit of a rub that you hear. The truck looks amazing. Like I said, the ride height's great, it's level, tires fit, truck looks awesome. It has this, so let's start out. I know that he bought this piece, the hood vent. I know that he bought and had it installed at Mid-South LED up in Tennessee. They did that. They did the mirrors for him. What else did he say? The fender flares right here they did. Fairly certain he got the side step done. And I believe the tailgate handle right here he had done. Maybe even the steps on the bumper as well. The truck looks great, it really does. That factory chrome Chevy wheel looks awesome. Wanted to say I appreciate it to my customer for driving so far. You know, they're diehard people on this channel, the subscribers. They come from all over the place, and he drove from 6.5 to 7 hours away, and that's a huge deal, and I want to say I appreciate it. Anybody that drives from that far to see us, you know, It's crazy, but we really do appreciate it. This is what keeps us going over here. We're not like a corporation. It's just we're all friends and family that kind of run this place, so we really do appreciate the business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name is Jake. The number here is 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia, and I'm going to attach a quote for a job like this right after this clip. So if you want to see what this one would cost, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. And by the way, the truck really does have a blue interior. You can see it a lot better in the sun. I didn't even really notice it this morning. Looks really good though. It has the High Country badge right there.